And there we are, perfect. We are receiving real time. We got more than 1,000 gems and almost 1,100 sapphires. It is incredible and we saved a lot of money. If you liked the video, please leave a comment and thanks for watching. See you soon. Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you how you can get free sapphires and gems on Animal Jam. So this is what I have at the moment, only 1,000 gems and 0 sapphires, and my username is helpful_strangfly. So we are gonna use a free tool available at the site that I'm going to show you now. It is hpw.mobilecheaters.com. This is the only site where you're gonna find this available hack for Animal Jam, so don't write it wrong please. Once you go there, the first thing you have to do is enter your username. In my case, remember it was helpful_strangfly, and leave your platform selected. In my case, I play on an Android device, so I'm gonna leave that. Enable the encryption and press on connect. Then just wait a bit until your account gets connected to the online tool. Perfect. Now we are gonna select how many sapphires and gems we want to add in our account. In my case, I will add for both the maximum available amount and press on generate. Once this is done, the process will start. We just have to wait a bit until it finishes. It doesn't take too long, so just be patient because we are gonna save a lot of money doing this thing. Alright, once we arrive this step, we have to verify that we are not a bot. This is only for the first time that we use this generator because we can use it as many times as we want per day. So it is only for the first time. And for this, we will have to do two actions that requires us to download a game and run it for 30 seconds. Well, it doesn't have to be a game. It can be any app, like the one that I'm gonna do now. Just download the app and run it for at least 30 seconds. Sometimes I leave it more just to be sure. I'm gonna press on install and I'm gonna be back in a moment. Alright, so now let's open the app, and you don't have to do anything there. Just stop around until at least 30 or 40 seconds has passed, and that's it. I will be back in a moment. Alright, so I've had the app open for more than a minute, so let's go back and download the second app. We're gonna pick this one, Pop Slots. We have to do the same thing. The process is exactly the same. Just download the app and run it for at least 30 seconds. Okay, now let's open the app. And okay, we're gonna select our age here, and I will be back in a moment. Alright, the same happened. I have had the app open for a bit more than a minute just to make sure that I've done it right, because we are saving a lot of money with this. And now let's see if we received all the package that we requested on the app. And there we are, perfect. We are receiving real time. We got more than 1,000 gems and almost 1,100 sapphires. It is incredible and we saved a lot of money. If you liked the video, please leave a comment and thanks for watching. See you soon.